Hello, good day, good day. Wanted to give you an overview um, how the land can be subdivided, at least for the beginning part of it, of the transaction. So then you can get an idea and see if you think it can work for you. So because of the hillside policy, the land can either be divided in three or in four. But based on how the building permit is, um, in four would be the most realistic way. So that means if it's in four, that means it would be two deeds and two people on one deed, where you have a A and a B. Or it could be divided in three, but then that means the lot size would become bigger. So I don't know if this would be okay for you. So it would mean two people being on one deed. It has been done before um, in Cloud Estate and other places. The owner said he would be glad to explain it. Also, the note could explain it. But let me know your thoughts on it and if you think it's something that you would be okay with. All right, let me know.